Today we're exploring the GUTINNEEN Large Chicken Coop, designed to comfortably house 6 to 10 chickens with its spacious dimensions of 75.7 inches long, 37.4 inches wide, and 59.1 inches high. This co-op features a large side door for easy access and a thoughtfully designed ramp with blocks to prevent your poultry from slipping. Crafted from 100% natural fur, the co-op boasts a weatherproof asphalt sloped roof that shields your chickens from rain, wind, and snow, ensuring their safety and comfort. Beneath the nesting box, you'll find an extended running area, giving your chickens ample space to roam freely. Cleaning is a breeze with the removable sliding tray, and the wire fencing provides excellent ventilation, creating a healthy environment for your feathered friends. Whether you're a seasoned poultry keeper or just starting out, this co-op offers a perfect blend of functionality and comfort for your flock. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.